Today we're going to make giant cinnamon rolls in a rice cooker. Let's get started. Hello everybody, Chef Bob here today, and we're going to make some cinnamon rolls, or should I say big cinnamon rolls, in a mini rice cooker. We're going to use the Wolfgang Puck mini rice cooker. So this is a very simple recipe, or a way to do it. This is at times when you don't want to make the whole, before I jump into it, I'm just using cinnamon rolls from a can that you can buy at any store, whatever type you want. These are just plain cinnamon rolls with icing. And using this rice cooker is a good option when you don't want to start up your big oven and make the whole can. Maybe you just want to make one for yourself for breakfast, or maybe one or two. So what I've done was, typically these are the size that come out of the can. But you see I made them larger, and all I simply did to make a larger one was I took two of them. I took one for the middle and I wrapped another one around it. Just like that. And that turned it into a larger one. And now the reason I did that was, if you look at the mini rice cooker, you'll see it's much larger than a normal sized roll right out of the can. So what I'm going to do is, before I just put it in the Wolfgang Puck cooker, I'm actually going to put about half a tablespoon of butter, just in little pieces, in the bottom of the cup. I'll then put our larger cinnamon roll in here, and I'm going to take the other half tablespoon of butter, just break it up and put it on top. It's as simple as that. I'll put it in the rice cooker. I'll put the lid on, clamp it down, and hit the cook button. Now this may shut off in a few minutes, but it won't be finished cooking. So what I do when I make something like this in the rice cooker is I just set a kitchen timer, or use your wristwatch, clock, whatever, and I'm going to time it for about 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, that should be about perfectly done. It'll be, a little crispy on the bottom, but then soft and cooked through. And then we'll add our icing once we pull it out. So I'll see you back here in about 20 minutes. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, so we're going to take out our large cinnamon bun and see how it looks. Oh, to clarify what I said earlier, it did shut off from cooking mode to keep warm. After a few minutes I wasn't paying attention, but it's still cooking, and that's okay. You don't have to do anything. So you put it in here. When you clicked it down on cook, it'll cook for a couple of minutes, and then, because it's a lightweight small baking item, that's common when you're baking things like cakes and muffins, it'll go from cook to keep warm. That's okay. You don't have to do anything. That's why we just time it. So in the keep warm mode, we just timed it until the total cooking time was about 20 to 25 minutes. So now we'll open it up. Oh, you can see the steam. It's very hot. And let me get this. Oh, yes. There we go. Okay. Looks good so far. Let's see. It's crusty on the bottom and soft on top from the butter. Now we'll put our glaze. This smells delicious. Oh baby. If you want, you can smear it around a little bit. Ooh. Now, the nice thing about using the mini rice cooker for something like this, as you can see, there was no big oven, no big cooking pans or anything. It was simple. I made a nice large cinnamon bun, single serving. Clean up is just your little pan. You just wipe it out with a wet sponge or cloth. It's that simple. Now, let's give this a try. You know that this is going to taste delicious. I mean, just look at it. And remember, we put that butter on the top and the bottom. Let's try this. It's going to be hot. Mmm. 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 Hot, fresh cinnamon bun in the mini rice cooker. It's easy to do. There's a variety. You can get the vanilla. This is a vanilla cinnamon bun. I've seen the orange rolls. So I highly recommend, if you have one of these Wolfgang Puck mini rice cookers or any type of smart rice cooker, this concept will work. Get some of the pre-made cinnamon rolls or buns, unwrap them, maybe make them larger, or put 2 or 3 if it's a larger cooker, and then just time it. This was about 20 minutes. If you want it a little crustier, maybe do 25 minutes, but that's all you need. It's cooked, and remember, the trick I did was I put a little bit of butter underneath and a little bit of butter on top. So that's soaked in when it was baking, and this is very, very good. I think you'll really love it. So please try this at home. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up, like, subscribe buttons, and leave some comments. Let me know what else you'd like to see in the mini rice cooker, or maybe in a larger rice cooker, or if there's any other type of video or recipes or questions you have. Please leave those in the comments section. And there's a little notification bell. And if you click on that, you'll be notified when I post a new video. So please click on that also. Again, thank you for watching. This is very, very, very good.